Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. In my recent videos, I was showing you that Bitcoin Cash has broken out another rising wedge pattern after the breakout from a down channel. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then this was a rising wedge pattern, by the way, that recently we have broken out. And the target that I've been telling you for this breakout from this rising wedge pattern was here. That was approximately at $536, and you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target. And during this rally, we have also broken out this very long-term resistance of $500 as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $500 has been recently working as a resistance here, and before that, it has been working as a support here. And now, after this breakout, it can be flipped into a very strong long-term resistance support once again. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this down channels breakout as well. And we will also take a look at this rally that was begun here after the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. After the breakout from this wedge on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that the price line has turned parabolic bullish. And so far, if I place this measurement tool, then you can see that so far from this low, when last time it was testing the support of the wedge here up till this high, it has rallied almost 637%, but could not break out this long-term resistance zone. That starts from $700 and goes to $800. Previously, it had been breaking at the resistance zone here, resistance on here, resistance on here, and resistance on here. And again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Bitcoin Cash. And in today's video, we will also analyze this rally once again. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Orchid, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade signal, like this trade setup I shared a few days ago on 21st of November 2024. And here you can also want the complete trade setup as well, like this was a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive pump. Now, let me take you to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. First of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was moving inside this rising wedge pattern since after 5th of August 2024. And after getting squeezed inside this rising wedge pattern, finally the price then broke out the resistance of this wedge and pumped very well. The target for the breakout from this wedge was approximately at $536. And you can see that the price then has already rallied beyond that target. And before the breakout from this wedge, the price then also tested this long-term uptrend line support as well. Like we tested the support here and here and here, not here, here and here. This was another long-term uptrend line support. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line support has been previously working as a support here, resistance here, and again, it worked as a very, very nice support. And then we found the support of the rising wedge pattern as well. Therefore, this is a quite long-term uptrend line support and a bull run structure. It's working as a bull run structure for Bitcoin Cash. For example, if the price then breaks down the support, then we can expect a very, very big drop. However, so far so good since after the month of July 2023, Bitcoin Cash never broke down this support. Now, if you take a look at the target for the breakout from this down channel, you can see on the daily time frame chart, we have already broken out this down channel as well. Now we are moved to the daily time frame, by the way. And the target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel at $700. And from $700 to $800, we have a quite long-term resistance on. If we move to the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several months, it is working at a very, very strong resistance on. And in fact, here in the month of Feb 2021, it was also working as a very, very strong resistance on as well. Now, if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, you can see that on the 7-day time frame chart, we have also broken out this wedge, and the long-term target will be here at the top of the wedge. that can be somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I shared. Take care. Goodbye.